A warm welcome everybody once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, the Ford GT GTLM from Mini GT. I got me 3 versions. The first one is this here, the Ford GT GTLM Test car in plain black. Then I have this guy here in Gulf livery, and I guess this one right here is the one you are all excited for. This is the chase version. It is the first chase piece from Mini GT that I got so far, and yeah, I'm really happy that I got it. So what we are going to do right now, I'm gonna show you these two, and afterwards I will unbox this guy here and yeah, show it also to you. So let's put this one here aside, and I would say we start with the original one. I will keep them in this plastic packaging because they were quite expensive. Normally these Mini GTs you can get them for, let's say, 10 to 12 or 13 euros. These two were about 20 euros. So let's take a look at this one in Gulf livery. I think it's a fantastic release. I like these orange rims, the big wing with the Gulf lettering on it. So this is number 269, as you can see. If you are not familiar with Mini GT, normally the cars come just in this packaging. But as you can see, this one here is a Micho exclusive, a US exclusive car. And I think it does look fantastic, and I will keep it in this packaging. I hope you understand. And so let's take a look at this really cool chase piece in bare metal, like a Zamac version. So as you can see, this one here is the same casting for sure, and it has the same livery as the Gulf version. Or I mean, it is a Gulf version, but normally the Gulf livery is this blue and orange paint job. But this one is in bare metal, and as you can see, another difference is the interior. This one has a blue interior. So I'm really excited about this guy here, and I'm happy that I got it. And if you ask yourself how I got it, I just saw it at the online store I buy my diecast cars from, and I think you have to be quick. Normally they have just one of these chase pieces at a time, and maybe it was because there was no picture available, so but I knew what it was, and I hit the buy button very quickly, and now I got this one, which is really cool. You can see on the packaging it shows the original car. So really cool, and I am really happy. So because I will keep these two in their packaging, I thought I'd do an unboxing with this one here, the test car. This is, where's the number? Here, 246. Let's cut this open. Always open this cardboard box carefully, don't break it, because there is a plastic piece inside that is protecting the car, and you can always store the car back in this cardboard box, which I think is very cool when it's not on display. So let's take a look at this one. I hope you're able to see it if the camera is focusing. So if you're not familiar with a Mini GT, these cars normally have a metal body, metal base, and rubber tires. Sometimes the base says which model it is, which car, which version. This one right here doesn't. I don't know when they do it. And you can see it is the base is secured with 2 Phillips screws. The mirrors are rubberized so that they don't break so easily. So this thing, it does look fantastic. Look at the details. These what is this, rivets around the side windows. I think this back here is the fuel cap. And I think it's hard to see. Focus. Okay. Right here you can see the running boards, and they have like it's like a carbon fiber pattern on them. So we have lensed taillights, painted exhaust tips, a big wing. So this is plastic. It's powered by EcoBoost. So I think it's hard to see something from the interior, but as this is a race car, it has just 1 seat. And I guess down here on the windshield, we have some warning labels. And this is how it looks from the front. Lensed headlights. And also here on the front splitter, I think it's hard to see. Again, this kind of carbon fiber pattern. I like the rims. And normally, these Mini GT cars do roll very smoothly, so let's try it. And yes, this one also. So let's park this guy right here. And let's take a last look at this beauty right here. I was really happy when the package arrived and I saw it. I think this is just fantastic. So, if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thanks for watching, happy hunting, see you next time, bye.